If you are searching for the best credit repair company to sign up with for credit repair, then you have definitely came to the right video. So the last thing you want is to end up with somebody that's getting reviews like this and that's hiding in another country. You want to make sure that the company actually resides in the States, not somebody that's in Vietnam and illegally having you send payments to them. Be careful, be careful, be careful. A lot of these people on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and TikTok, it's just regurgitated information. They may talk a good game, but they just want to take your money. You don't believe me? Just check these reviews out. Now, I know I talk about this scammer a lot, but it's because I don't want you wasting your money. I'm not here to convince you to sign up with me at all. I could care less who you sign up with. I want you to sign up with whoever you feel comfortable signing up with for credit repair. If that's not me, that's perfectly fine. I want you to go where you're comfortable. But I definitely don't want you going to a company that is going to scam you or talk to you like this right here. You don't need it, you don't deserve it, you deserve better. Now, what we do offer that only 2 other credit repair companies offer is pre-litigation credit repair. Now, a lot of companies claim they do pre-litigation credit repair, but they're not actually doing pre-litigation credit repair. It's just a sales tactic. It's kind of like the credit sweeps. It is just a sales tactic. If they're really doing pre-litigation credit repair, they're making you get your annual report. Those are required by any attorney to sue the credit bureaus for not fixing inaccuracies on your credit report. Once they find those violations, they're going to introduce you with the attorneys that they use. If you never get introduced to these attorneys, then either they're not finding violations or they don't know what the heck they're doing. Now, you don't talk to the attorneys until there's violations, but there's a 90% chance that after just 1 round of letters, you're going to be introduced to our attorneys because we're that good at triggering those violations. We're going to hold the credit bureaus and the creditors accountable for not doing their job. They love to just send out, they verified the information. And this is another reason why we don't dispute old addresses at the beginning anymore like we used to. Because sometimes if you dispute those old addresses, items will automatically be deleted, which is great. That's great. It's a deletion. That's what you want. But why do that when you can trigger a violation and not only get the item deleted, get the debt waived, and get up to $1,000 in your pocket? That's what we offer here at Everything Credit LLC. So make sure you're doing your research. Don't fall for the fake video reviews. Don't fall for the fake reviews on Trustpilot. Trust me, they're fake. You gotta be sure that you're signing up with the right credit repair company or you're just gonna get scammed like everybody else. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.